All right, here we go. The line y equals 5 is a horizontal asymptote to the graph of which of the following functions? All right, so before we solve this, let's go ahead and review what a horizontal asymptote is. So let's say I have a function, let's say this is the line y equals 5, right? If I have a function that, does something like this and gets super, super close to that line, but never actually technically touches it, that is what a horizontal asymptote is going to be. So the way that we want to figure out if a function has a horizontal asymptote is essentially what this is saying is the limit as x approaches infinity. Oops, sorry. The limit as x approaches infinity for y has to equal 5. So that's basically what this is saying. So if we look at these functions, we have to ask ourselves, which of these looks like as x gets, you know, approaches infinity, y approaches 5. Which of these look like that would happen? And this one, it looks like no. Even if we use L'Hopital's rule, we're just going to keep, um, flipping. Well, it's going to diverge, right? Or not, it's not diverge, but we're not going to get like a. We're definitely not going to get 5. This one's going to go blow up to infinity. This one's going to go to 0. This one is going to, let's see, that one is not going to work because we have this negative x here, so I'm going to get negative 5. And this one, well, let's go ahead and try it. So I have the limit as x approaches infinity for 20x squared minus x divided by 1 plus 4x squared. And what's going to happen is as this gets really huge, this is going to look like 20 x squared and then over 4x squared, and we can, basically just kind of hand wave away those x squareds. Then we're going to get 20 divided by 4, which is just going to be 5. So therefore, the correct answer is going to be E. That is the correct answer. I also checked the key to make sure. So yeah, that's the correct answer. If you have any questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.